Hi, welcome to the fourth part of the Spur gear housing in SolidWorks 2024. So, first I want to fix that problem here. Therefore, hide those bodies, maybe like that. And I will need this one here, so bring it back. Okay. First do the fillets here on that solid. So go for fillet, make it 5 mm on this edge here, confirm, and another fillet with 2 mm on that edge and confirm. Now I have to move those features before that cut is happening. So let's take a look. Maybe hide that plane. And that would be the second pattern. This one here, yes, and I have to go before the draft, the cut, so I have to go to that box extrude here. Because that's the one, so that would be box extrude 5, I suppose. So let's move box extrude 10 before 5, or to 5, that should do, or before 5. Move it here, then move the fillet up, the second fillet, and the third fillet. Then move that up to this one, yes, and now we can make a combine. Let's combine this solid here and that solid, confirm, and go to the end of the tree like this, and the problem is fixed. Great. Now I can go for the handle at the top of that housing. Okay, let's hide those solids, or this one, and bring back that one. And we need a sketch on that plane here, so let's go for a sketch. Okay, a sketch on the front plane, and I want to bring in those contours. So let's see, what do we have? We can go for intersection curve, this, that one, and this one, and confirm, which gives me that curve here. Nice, but this curve should be for construction only. Over here, select it, and construction as well. Now I will need 2 circles. So I could try to snap here, see if it works. And this should be, one should be 700 and the other one should be 690. So let's go for dimension. This should be 700 in diameter. And the other one should be 690 in diameter. Okay, let's move them. So what happened? 700, and obviously I hit my numpad too hard. Happens. 690. That's more like it. I will need that plane here, so make it visible. And there should be a tangency constraint between that plane, which is up here, yes, and that circle. So maybe move those circles down make sure nothing is selected. Did I snap onto something? I don't think so, but possible. So let's try to make a tangency constraint between this plane and that circle up here. Yes, that's okay. Now I need two more circles. One over here, one over there. Not like this, but it should be here, of course, and the other one should be over there. Okay, both of them should be 14 millimeter in diameter. This one as well. And both of them should be for construction only. For construction, and this one for construction as well. Nice. And now we go for tangency. So this here and that one should be tangent. Also this one and that one should be tangent as well. Same here, this one and that one tangent, and this one and that one tangent. Now I should be able to trim at least this one here. Okay. Now I will need a line which goes from that endpoint up, and another one on the other side from that endpoint up. Okay, now this point and that line should be coincident. Yes. Same over here, that point and this line should be coincident. Now I can trim. This should be removed, that should be removed, and this should be removed. Looks good, so let's finish that sketch. Let's make an extrude. Maybe hide those sketches. Oh, they will be hidden. So go for features, extrude post base. That's the sketch here. Yes, it's selected, and it should be symmetric, so it should be mid-plane, and it should be 10 millimeters. That's okay, and it should merge with that body here. Yes. Yep. Yep. And confirm. Now I need two fillets with 7 millimeter. Yes. One here at that edge, and on the other side here as well. Confirm. Okay, nice. Let's hide this plane, and I will need those edges as paths for my sweep, for my swept cut. So for my swept cut I will need a path, a curve, and I want to go for a composite curve. Yes, and I want to select all those edges here, and hopefully we can use this all together. Okay, I will need a sketch on the right plane. Let's see if we can snap onto that point. Seems so, so let's go for our profile, and this should look something like this here. This could go straight up, and the angle here should be 10 millimeter. Not millimeter, but 10 degrees, of course. So leave that sketch. Let's see if we can use the complete path. So go for a swept cut. Profile is sketch 4, that's okay. And the path would be that composite curve. And again, it goes only to one side. So I want it to be bi-directional. Is that okay? Yes. This looks pretty good. So let's confirm this. Nice. And now I hope to mirror that feature. So where's the mirror command? There you go. I want to mirror a feature. The mirror plane would be the front plane, and the features to mirror would be that swept cut. And confirm. Looks good, looks great, and I'm done for today. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.